What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mom. Today we're going to be changing these interior lights on a Hyundai Santa Fe. It'll be the same for either one of these. This is a 2019 Santa Fe, but it is the same for a few different years. So what we're going to need to do this, I'm going to use a trim tool here, an automotive trim tool. But if you don't have one of these available, you can just use a flathead screwdriver. I would just recommend using one with a fairly wide blade to help spread the pressure evenly. So we're going to take our trim tool or our flathead screwdriver, and on the lens cover, in the middle of it, on the back side, the part closest to the windshield, we're going to push up in there, and then that'll pry off of there like that. And then we'll want to turn this light off, pressing that button. And you want to turn that off before you change the bulb because it gets pretty warm while it's on. So to get the bulb out of there, the only thing you need to do is just press on this tab right here. So you'll press on that tab. You can see as I do that, it's making it loose. So once you press that tab, the bulb will come out, and then you can take your new replacement bulb, push it back up in there, and that's it. And then we'll take our lens cover, and you want to put the front of it, the part closest to you, on first. You'll tuck those two tabs up in there, and then the back will just snap on like that. That's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.